Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to enable Gboard on Android. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Enabling Gboard, Google Keyboard on your Android device involves downloading the app if it's not already pre-installed and setting it as your default keyboard. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do this. Method 1. Download Gboard. Tap on the Google Play Store on your home screen or app drawer. Type Gboard on the search bar and tap on the search icon. Find the Gboard in the search result. Tap on it. Then tap Install. Once done, hit Open. Method 2. Set Gboard as default keyboard. Once Gboard is installed, you need to set it as your default keyboard. Go to your device's settings. This can be done by tapping the Enable in Settings in the Gboard. Then, enable Gboard. Tap on Select Input Method. You will see a list of available keyboards. Toggle the switch next to Gboard to enable it. Then tap on Done. Now, let's verify Gboard is enabled. You can open any app that requires text input, such as a messaging app. Tap on the text input field, and Gboard should appear as your keyboard. By following these steps, you can easily enable and set up Gboard as your default keyboard on your Android device, allowing you to take advantage of its features and customization options. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.